everyone, happy Independence Day to you. I'm Ritu Maheshwari and I'm covering FIA Health Fair here. Every year top-notch doctors give their time and services for free for Indian community. People from all walks of life and all ages come here to get a quick medical checkup and health advice. So let's go and talk to people around here and all the doctors. I'm talking to Dr. Ramesh Chapra. He is chairman and convener of FIA. He is renowned cardiologist. He is founding member of Fremont Hindu Temple and very active in community. He has been organizing this health fair for so many years and many people are being benefited by this. So Dr. Chapra, please share your thoughts.
Thank you, Ritu. This is the 20th year that we are doing this Festival of India, and this is our 20th anniversary. Especially this health fair we kick off the whole festival with the health fair. As you know, there are many people out there who don't have insurance, who are underinsured, who have senior, who have no insurance, can't have a language problem, or they're too busy to visit a doctor. We'll check their blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure, everything we check it over here. And we have cardiologists, we have general practitioners, gastroenterologists, many other specialties are all over here. They come and check it out. Today we have 150 booths over here, all kinds of arts, crafts, jewelry, foods, clothing. People have come from India, they have come all over the world, as a matter of fact, to participate in this.
So you are doing it every year, so what motivates you?
Well, like I said, all these views, they inspire me. It feels so good that we can make a little India over here, especially the children who grew up here, born here. They have never seen India, or they have very little knowledge of our roots, our heritage. When they come over here, when they participate in this culture program, which goes around the clock over here, I think it makes me feel so good. It's very gratifying that our community is growing, we are empowering our community. You'll see a lot of politicians, public service people, they all come here, join us. And it's not only for us now, Indian Americans, even for the mainstream Americans, Chinese Americans, Mexican Americans, Filipino Americans, they all come, join us. As a matter of fact, out of 100,000 people we get here, almost 50% are from other communities now. And we would like to share our culture, our heritage with everybody else out there. Let them get the benefit of this beautiful culture, the very rich culture which we have, which we are so proud of. And our young children become so proud when they see some of the role models, Indian Americans over here, who become mayors, vice mayors, doctors, engineers, and everybody else. And I think they're having fun. At the same time, they get inspired.
So do you want to add anything else on FIA Fair for Independence Day?
Of course, Ritu, again, thank you. And then again, for the viewers out there who are watching it, this year the parade is one of the largest parades. We have floats from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kutch to Bengal. Everybody is represented out there. So it's going to be a wonderful parade. And we are opening a Pisso Padre this time. So the parade is going to go from Capitol to Liberty to Walnut to Pisso Padre. 6th lane is going to be closed so that we can accommodate a lot more people. So hopefully there will be a lot more than 100,000 people. So come and join us, be part of the history, making events in the city of Fremont.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chapra, for doing so much for the community and getting involved the community in so many things.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thanks your team and my team over here. There are 200 people who work day and night to get ready so that everybody else can have fun over here. And I would like to thank all my volunteers, and we are always looking for more volunteers. Thank you and Jai Hind.